Hello guys, today we are going to model a simple wooden table. Okay, so that is what we are going to do now. So I've selected the cube, and as you can see, I'm scaling it down just for me to get the surface of the table. Okay, so I think this size of the surface is okay for me. So for me to get the legs done, I will use the same cube. Okay, so basically we are going to model the table with cubes. So that is it. So I've selected another cube, trying to get the one leg of the table. Then when everything is okay for me, then I can copy it and paste it to the other side. So that is how it's basically done. So I'm positioning the leg at the area that I want it to go. So after doing that, you rotate to see where exactly it is and if you are okay with it. Okay, so bringing it down. Okay, so every table has 4 legs, right? So what we are doing now is getting one leg of the table. Then, like I said before, when it's set, we copy it and paste it to the other side. So that is it. That's what we are seeing now. It's very simple. 3D modeling is not something that you are supposed to be scared of. So you click on the object. Before you copy, you click on the object and go to edit, then you click on copy, go back to edit, click on paste, then you can move the object to the other side of the table. So that is what we are doing now. For you to get the actual position, you can use uh, any of the viewports. So we are on the top view right now. After that, you click on the arrow over there or the joystick on the mouse, then it will give you access to the other viewports as well. 3D is very simple. It's very simple. A lot of people keep saying 3D is not easy. 3D is not easy. It takes time. The only thing you need to do is you find time, dedicate some time for it, then practice all the time. That is what will make you perfect. You understand? So at the moment, I'm trying to get one side of the table fixed. So that is what you are seeing at the moment. Let's watch carefully. You see, it's very big. It's not on the surface too. So using the right viewport, I'm trying to position the surface of that area of the table. You see, you need to scale it up to see what exactly you are doing. So 3D is basically about scaling up and down, rotating and moving. That is all. Just know what you are doing. So this one I'm just modeling from imagination. I don't have any picture that I'm working with. So as you can see, I'm trying to create one side of the leg. So when I'm done with this legs, like the other side, I'll just copy and paste it to the other side and I'm done. So let's keep watching carefully. The video is a little long, but trust me, we are going to be done right now. So you see, I'll select both legs and the surface. Then I click V, Control C, then Control V to copy and paste to the other side. So after that, it's on the opposite side. So I have to rotate it to get it right. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. So right now, all we are doing is we need to rotate to 180 degrees. So you can just enter the figure there as you can see, or you rotate as the number changes. When it gets to where you think it's okay, then you leave it over there. So that is it. It's very simple. See, that is what we have done. A simple wooden table. I'm just scaling. I want you to see it clearly. So that is what I'm trying to do. So the other side too, we need to cover it because you can't leave it like that. So I've copied the other side of the table. I have to rotate it to an angle of 90 degrees. So 90 degrees, click on the move tool, then you position it where it's supposed to be. So you can use the other viewports to get the position right. You see, this one is the top view. Scale it down, then you move the surface of the table, position it where exactly it should be. It's very simple, very, very simple. So when you get the position right, then you copy it to the other side. You copy and paste to the other side. See, that is what I've done. I've copied and pasted, moving it to the other side. So, like, within how many minutes? Within 5 minutes, we are done with a table. So just imagine, 3D is very simple. If someone has contacted you to get them a table, it's just simple. So this is the table right here. But for you to say it well, I need to give it a base or a floor, then maybe add a little light, then you will see what I'm talking about. So here I'm adding the floor to it. So I'm pushing it down so the table can sit on the floor. Okay, so we need to render and see. This is render view. You see, it's just flat, like it's not real. So where we've gotten to, we need to add a little light to it and see. So this is the light. You move the light up, position the light where you see. It's very simple. So we put the light where it can fall on the surface of the object, then the shadow will reflect on the other side. So that is what I'm trying to do. You see, it's still flat, so I think we need to give it a shadow. So you select the light and go to the shadow area and you select area shadow. We have other types of shadow, soft shadow, hard shadow, and all of that. But it depends on what you are doing or what you are working on. You see, so you see the area shadow. Now it's looking like it's very real. You understand? So basically, this is how 3Ds are made. So right now you just have to play with your lighting system just for you to get the realistic shadow and all of that. So here I'm trying to play with my lightning, but sometimes it's very like you can do all the 3D, but lightning can take a lot of time because you see what I've done right now. So if it's not going to work, you just redo the light or go back to your old light, then you render. At the end of the day, we are looking to get a real table that if anyone sees, the person will be like, oh, this is a table. So that is what we are doing now. We are almost done with the video. If you have any questions, any suggestions, just put it in the comment section and I will attend to you. You see, so we are back with the old light. So we will do render, then we see. So I think this one it's okay for a beginner to do something like this. It's very okay. So we are getting close to the end of the video. So this is, I just scaled the surface of the table a little bigger than the old one. So let's render it and see. This is the final table that we just did. Let's drop our comments in the comment section. How do you see this?